How to fix Discord mic picking all PC sounds. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord mic picking all PC sounds. So to fix your Discord mic picking up all of the PC sounds, first thing you can do is disable stereo mix. Stereo mix combines all audio output and sends it as an input, causing Discord to pick up game sounds, music, and more. So to do that, go ahead and open the control panel into your device. So go ahead and open control panel. And then on control panel, go ahead and head over into the sound tab. So you can go ahead and click on this hardware and sound button, and then from here, click on sound. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the recording tab. And then in this section, right click on stereo mix and choose disable. So right click on this and make sure to disable this. Now, if you find an enable option, that means that stereo mix is disabled for your PC. Now, restart Discord and then test your mic. Now, another thing you can do is to set correct input and output devices on your Discord. So to do that, go ahead and click on user settings at the bottom left of your screen. And then in here, look for voice and video. And then head over to the voice tab. And then set the input device into your microphone and the output device into your speakers. Avoid using default if you have multiple devices. Now, the last option that you have is to update or reinstall your audio drivers. So, outdated or corrupted drivers can cause audio routing issues. So, to do that, open the device manager on your PC. And then on your device manager, go ahead and expand sound, video, and game controllers. And then in here, right click your audio device. So go ahead and right click the audio device that you're currently using and then click on this update driver button. And that is how you can basically fix Discord mic picking all PC sounds.